my crosswalk button experience right now in East Palmetto Park Road and North Federal Highway and South Federal Highway. Oh, this one has 10 seconds, so 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Wait to cross Federal Highway at Palmetto Park Road.
Yep.
Wait.
This one says wait on it.
Wait.
Yo, calm down, dude.
Wait.
Why are you yelling me, telling me to wait?
Wait to cross Federal Highway at Palmetto Park Road. Wait.
So here's that sign. It says push button to cross Palmetto Park Road. Let me see if it lets you wave it. No, it doesn't let you wave because it says you have to push the button.
Wait.
So this one actually, you have to press the button here, which is nice.
Wait to cross Federal Highway at Palmetto Park Road. Wait.
So as you can see, we're gonna wait until that the red light over there to turn green, and then we're gonna call it. And as you can see, we're gonna wait for this another traffic light over there to turn green, and then really interesting. Oh, here's that huge truck. So as you can see, really cool.
Wait to cross Federal Highway at Palmetto Park Road. Wait.
Yeah, so this one just light it up because somebody actually pushed it right there. But yeah, it might be cool. So this one's actually fixed.
Wait to cross Federal Highway at Palmetto Park Road. Wait.
So some kids on that dirt bike over there. Really nice, guys. Alright, now we'll be crossing Federal Highway now.
Wait to cross Federal Highway at Palmetto Park Road.
Okay.
Wait.
That one actually works.
Wait to cross Federal Highway at Palmetto Park Road.
Yep. So we have to push button to cross Federal Highway. So we'll be crossing Federal Highway, which is right over there. And this is Palmetto Park Road over here. You'll see that sign. East Palmetto Park Road. Yep. We're gonna wait until that traffic light over there to turn red. And we're gonna go ahead and wait for that traffic light to turn green, and then really amazed. I'm really amazed with this. Let's go ahead and do that.
Wait to cross Federal Highway at Palmetto Park Road. Wait.
So some signs will say push or button to wave for walk sign, but so this one doesn't let you wave because it doesn't say that. You have to push the button to cross. So
Wait to cross Federal Highway at Palmetto Park Road. Wait.
you know what? I'm leaving. Let's go. So walk sign is on the cross. 19 seconds, and oh no, this one has 20 seconds on this one. So thank you guys for watching.